Huawei is dipping its toes into the laptop pool. The company unveiled its first laptop ever, the MateBook X. Running Windows 10, it's the first 13-inch fanless laptop with an Intel U-series processor. The Huawei MateBook X looks very similar to the 12-inch MacBook Pro, but with the Huawei logo on its cover. It has a sleek aluminum chassis that will be available in gold, gray, and pink. It's 12.5mm thick and weighs a little over 2 pounds. Its 2K resolution screen is beautifully sharp and vibrant, with super narrow 4.4mm bezels that maximize screen space. It also has a 3:2 screen ratio that's more conducive for office work. The laptop is the first to feature Dolby's Atmos sound system, which features integrated software and hardware solutions for superior sound quality. Whereas your average laptop would sound tinny at max volume, the Huawei laptop in comparison sounds rich and full. The MateBook X is one of the only laptops that has this technology, making it a unique pick for anyone who likes to use their laptop as a television. The Huawei laptop's power button doubles as a fingerprint sensor, similar to some Huawei phones. It also has a full-size chiclet keyboard and 2 USB-C ports for fast charging and transferring data. If those aren't enough ports for you, Huawei packages the laptop with a multi-port adapter. Huawei also announced a 15-inch variant of the laptop, though it wasn't available for us to try out at the press briefing, as well as a refresh to its 12-inch MateBook tablet.